How to reset your Adidas account password. Hi everybody and welcome back. Today we are providing you with a quick and correct way to reset your Adidas account password. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. We can start by going to adidas.com. This is the official site. And once we are here, we can head over to the login page. Otherwise, within the site in the main home screen as well, we'll be finding a login screen. So first of all, what we can do is we can enter the email address that we used to create our account and click on this option called continue. Once it is done, this is our following section where we can enter our passcode. Now, if we want to reset our passcode, the following and the easiest method is click on this option called forgot password. And once we've done so, we can just go over and follow the process to reset your password. So that will send us an email. We can click on the link in the email to update your password. So go ahead and go to gmail.com. Just open up gmail.com. Once you have done so, you can just go over and look out for this email from them and an option where we can confirm if we want to reset our password. Click on this option called confirm and we can open up that reset link Adidas sends us. Now all we gotta do is basically create up a new password. So in this section we can enter up a new password and just go over and confirm it up. Click on confirm and that way you can confirm it up. Make sure you have entered the correct email and you can wait for a few minutes and try again if you do not get the email. And that way you can easily log into your account. And that is one of the method. Otherwise, if you're already logged, then you can go to your profile settings, click on this profile option in the top right, and then select the option of profile settings. Go ahead and open it up. And once we are in this section, we can scroll down and look out for this section called password and click on this edit option. Once we have done so, we need to enter up our old password first of all, and then type in our new password. After that, you can save up the changes here, click on this option, and your password will be reset. You can use that following password in order to log in into your account once again. And that's it, everybody. Those are probably the way you can follow up for now to reset your Adidas account passwords. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.